Back for another update. Let's take a look at XLM over here on the 2-day time frame. This looks like it could be a macro leading diagonal pattern in which the waves overlap each other. Now with a leading diagonal pattern, you're going to have a 3-wave move within each of these waves. And it's evident over here going back to 2014, we see a 3-wave move to the upside for your wave 1 before your bear market started from there. For your bear market, going back to January 2018, we then had another ABC correction going all the way down to January 2023. So I know a lot of people say that March 2020 was the start of a new bull market, but for XLM and coins such as XLM like XRP, I don't think they were within a bull market. I don't think they were in bull market territory in 2020, 2021, and the reason for that is because we were just coming up for a B wave before a 5-wave move down in your C. So a 3-wave move down in your A, 3-wave move up in your B, and then a 5-wave move down within the C wave. Now the bear market is done over here in January 2023. And we have been making higher lows ever since. So zooming in over here on the daily time frame, 3-wave move up in your A, 3-wave move down in your B, and now we're within our C wave to the upside, and this C wave will likely be a blow off top like structure. You can see that in yesterday's liquidation event we did come down to make a double bottom right over here. So as long as Bitcoin plays nice, then it wouldn't surprise me that this is a market bottom on XLM. We're currently above the 10 and 21 period moving average on the 4-hour, and what bulls would want to see here going forward is a move above the 50 period on the 4-hour, sitting at around 0.0954 in order for a shot at making it towards this level over here, this region over here, okay, at 13 to 14 cent. If we can get above 13 and 14 cents, then our acceleration phase will likely begin for our impulsive move to the upside within our C wave. Okay, so these are the targets here. We'll definitely need to alter these targets as the price develops. So if you haven't joined the Discord, please click the link in the description below so you guys can stay updated with the price action of XLM. After this 5-wave move comes in, that would be our C wave completion of our 3rd wave to the upside. Okay, so I'm expecting around a, let me see here, expecting around $1.35 to around $2 for XLM. Maybe even have a little bit of a extension towards the 2.618 at $2.40. So around this region is where you're going to want to look to take profit, not financial advice, near the upper boundary of this macro wedge that we have here. Okay. And then we would come down in our bear market, likely coming down to the 61.8% fib. Or the 50% over here. Okay, so at the 50%, which would be about 82%, an 82% drop, but I think it does go a little bit deeper than that. So maybe around 88 to over 90% of a drop. Don't worry too much about how this correction will look and how far it will go. What you must pay attention to is these targets over here that are bound to get hit within this blow off top that is about to begin within the altcoin market. Okay, so going forward, as long as Bitcoin holds support, then it wouldn't surprise me XLM is bottomed here for a double bottom. Okay? So we're just grinding our way up through the fibs over here. Going forward, what bulls would want to see is a move above the 50 period moving average at 0.095. Once we get a 4-hour closure above that level, then it's very likely that we'll be gravitated towards 13 to 14 cent. Get above 13 and 14 cent, and then the acceleration phase will begin. Okay, so there's many levels of resistance that we must get over, but as soon as you get above that 13-14 cent region, then it makes it very likely that we'll have that expansion to the upside. I hope you guys enjoyed the XLM video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you want to stay updated with XLM, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.